Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for mid-month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so let's see what's there for my Aquarius for mid-month of December 2021. Aquarius energies, please. Hermit is there in your overall energy. So I feel a lot of peace, calmness could be going on around you, or you might be working on a lot of peace and calmness inside you, that inner peace and inner calmness. In the past we have Strength, Five of Cups and the Magician. Things were not so good. It could be because you might have lost someone. There was a lot of grief, loss, sadness because of somebody, something. You could have done something, but you couldn't. So somewhere I feel that with the Strength and the Magician, I feel that you had that positive vibes inside you, but either you could have taken a wrong decision into something, or you could have when we have everything, but somehow we tend to end up with the wrong thing. Like you are manifesting for a perfect person, you are manifesting for a perfect thing, or you are doing something but it comes out to be wrong, or things didn't work out that way, the way you are wanting to. So things happen, okay? So could have happened with you as well in the past. In the present, we have Six of Swords, King of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. So now you are taking it slow. Now you are wanting to start it again, because somewhere you are definitely going to the calmer waters. You are patient, you are calm, you are at peace, you are finding peace. You are definitely moving towards something good. Because there was a lot of bad energies which needed to be healed first, then to go again. But in the coming future, we have Eight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. You are really strong. You are coming up really strong, Aquarius. Very strong, okay? This is happening really fast, first of all. Okay, all the energies which were left bad in the past, you are gathering all those energies again, bit by bit. But yes, you are coming really, really strong. You are working hard, you are giving more time, more energies, and this is that stable energies which are coming up in the future. Now we'll clarify. Okay. The Hermit. Why the Hermit energy is here in the overall energy for my Aquarius? Hermit. Why Hermit is here? Could be dealing with a Virgo over here. Okay, Six of Pentacles, Lovers and Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. You might have joined like you could be volunteering into some NGO. You could have joined some NGO, or volunteering, or doing some good deeds, like to change your bad karma into good karma. So yeah, you are working for that. New things are bringing you peace, and you are loving that thing. This Lovers energy, I don't see that Lovers energy is just for a person coming. This energy is coming up like loving yourself as well, loving somebody, some living being, could be dogs and cats, and you are you are really, you could be investing more time into planting. I'm seeing some person who is gardening over there, or planting, or finding happiness with the nature, finding happiness around you, like being grateful to what the universe is offering you. So somewhere, yes, this is a very positive energy, because you are going within yourself. You have gone to that place in the past as well. Some of you might not have, but there is an awakening which is coming up for you in the present, which is happening. Tell me about the strength energy in the past. Why the strength is here? Knight of Pentacles, Hermit, and Knight of Swords. See, as I told you that it was there. This Hermit energy is again in the past. So that means that there was a self-realization energy. There was a happiness from within, finding happiness within. There was there, but it went really fast. Could be because of somebody you started to deal with in the past. You were there for temporary, but somebody came and then somebody left all of a sudden. Or this could be a new situation in your life. This could be a situation, this could be a person, but it went really fast. That spiritual awakening which you have gotten in the past, it went really fast, and you were like, it was for a small period of time. I used to do meditation, yoga, I used to do so much of good things, manifestations I was involved into, but it went really fast because you might have gotten what you wanted. So this could be a belief that, I did my manifestation, I did this, and I got that what I wanted. So somehow some people, they tend to just end that, I got what I wanted, so let's just end it. So temporary, this is definitely for some people only, but there was a temporary period of time in your life where you were investing that much amount of time and energies into something good, really good. So it ended. I see regrets as well. I see that you regretted that time, that I was a very good person, I used to do this, I used to do that, now I don't even have time, I want to start it again. So this is what you are saying in the past. Tell me about the Magician energies. Nine of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and the Star. That hope of doing things again and again. There was, as I told you, there was a time where you felt that your hands are tied. You felt that I'm not able to do the same good deeds I used to before because of so and so reason, and I wanted to start those things again, but I'm not able to. There is some negativity around me which is not letting me do these good deeds, and this is the reason. Somebody was like, something was holding you off from that thing. It was your energy, it could be somebody else's energies as well. So now you are getting free. But see how beautiful energy with the Six of Swords. I really like Six of Swords. It's always like, not staying in the same situation again and again. Some of you could be traveling as well, but you have to move on. That always reminds me. Whatever the situation is, you have to move away. Somehow, somewhere, somewhat, but you have to. Tell me about the King of Cups in the present energies. Death, Eight of Wands, and Three of Pentacles. See, there is that situation of transformation which is coming up really fast. So this, my dear Aquarius, if things have become really slow again in your life, so that is what you have manifested in the past, that I want some peace time, I want some alone time for myself, I want something for myself. So this is the God's answer, the universe answer to you. Take this time for yourself. Do not give it to anyone. Just be with you. Okay? Put more and more focus and energies and time in yourself. Your work as well. I'm not saying that you should stop your work over there. No. But find some time for yourself as well. Okay. Tell me about the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles energy in the present. Six of Swords, Three of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. So yes, many of you could be dealing with a financially, there could be a loss in finances, and that is why you have taken that pause again, where you are giving yourself time, or giving getting back into work. So the reason why there is pause. For some of you, it could be a heartache, heartbreak. Okay, so yeah, so this is the reason you are moving on and you are being calm. So present energies involve calmness, a little bit of sadness for the things which have happened, but at the same time, you are not stopping. I don't see you are stopping. You are still moving on. Slow success is still success, right? Okay. Tell me about the Eight of Wands in the future energies. What is this Eight of Wands going to bring to my Aquarius? Page of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and Three of Wands. So with this Eight of Wands, you are coming up with big plans. Okay, plans of moving forward, plans of seeing things in a very different way. Like, you are doing something and all of a sudden you get a plan of starting something new or something big. You are taking your work to a higher level. For those people who are doing business of their own, if you have started it new, it's like you are putting more and more time and effort into that, and you are becoming that the head of your company or head of your business. With the Queen of Pentacles and as well as the King of Pentacles, this is definitely telling me about strong money things. If you are settling for something stable, you are wanting something stable, you are getting that. But you cannot just stop your energies. You cannot just sit over there and wait for the success to come to you. No, you have to keep on working and working, as well as you need to learn more skills. If you are into one thing, you have to learn 2 to 3 things more, and then go ahead. Why is the Eight of Pentacles here? Six of Wands, Ace of Swords, and High Priestess. Yes, some of you are working for your intuition power. So you could be learning something new, so that your your inner gut feeling, it increases, so that whatever the decisions you want to take, your gut feeling will tell you what to do. So some of you are doing some remedies or some new efforts you are putting into it. Some of you are really working on the success rate of your company, of your job, of yourself. So this will definitely bring a lot of money and stability in your life, but keep on working. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.